Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. Today, I'm going to help you learn how to find and follow someone on Starmaker application. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To follow and find someone on Starmaker, go through your app list and tap Open Starmaker. Once you're signed in, tap on the microphone icon at the bottom of the screen. In the Search tab, search for the person you want to follow. And once you search for the person, you'll see this kind of a page where you can select your search result from following categories: all, songs, artists, or people. Tap on people and you'll be able to see the list of the person you can follow by that name. Once you find the person, tap on the follow button at the right side and you have successfully followed and found the person you are searching for on Starmaker. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.